All right, so Ethereum Classic had a nice move from last night as well. The uptrend is still in play. You did hit the 618, which is this is the 618 from the entire move from the bottom to top, and you did get rejected. So there was no breakout. This was invalidated. This is what you're seeing right now on Ethereum Classic, and this move is still in play. I drew this last night. It's still valid, and so is this one. So now you see, does this hold the 618 from this move and rocket higher, or does it get invalidated? Because an invalidation of the 618, which is also on confluence of the uptrend, confirms a move lower to $41. I think $41, if that breaks, that's pretty much it. And then, you'll see a lot of cryptos start to go much, much lower, which that would be this scenario. And then in the event, which you can see as well, the 786 would still hold, and then you'd get something like this. So that's really it. The big move happened already. I remember in the stream last night, I was like, Ethereum Classic looks bullish. It was somewhere back here, and then it had a huge move, I think up to $44. And then somebody else came in and saying, "Is it bullish?" And I said, "I don't think so." But you did have a move up to 46. So it's back to where it was last night, which, technically it might not still be bullish, but as of now it is. So if you want to get in, it's up to you. None of this is financial advice. It's just my opinion on what I think will play out. If you are going to get in Ethereum Classic, I would wait for this $43.60 move because it is going to come back down there in my opinion. And then, like I said, if it does break out, you have to break this 618 for a huge move higher. But I think that's pretty unlikely, honestly, just because of how bearish everything's starting to reverse now. But it is a scenario. So it gets invalidated on a break of this trend line, which is in confluence of the 618, then it goes much lower. So that's pretty much it. The BTC pair as well, it hit the 618 and got rejected. So I would really, really keep an eye on this 618 level on 43.64. This is going to be critical. It's basically life support because if it does break, you will have a move lower, a lot lower. So yeah, I mean, as long as it holds, it moves up. But I think it does move higher. I just don't think it breaks out. I think $46 might have been the top just because it's a 618 on both the USD and the BTC pair. But, in the event it does break, you will have a huge move to $50 on Ethereum Classic. So that's pretty much it. Best of luck. As always, none of this is financial advice. You always have to do what's best for you. And yeah, the 618 is going to be everything for this trend, the uptrend, and it's the 618. So I would look for something like this, not necessarily up to $50, but just as general direction. And then from there, if it gets rejected, that's all she wrote. But we'll see how it reacts. If it breaks the 618, the trend is invalidated, in my opinion. So best of luck, for something like this. So best of luck.